Yeah. It's
So?
New Year's Eve.
Yes.
So this is us. Oh my god. So this is us and
It's December 31, 2025. So,
yes.
okay, isuroy ko dyan sa handa karong year.
The handa of 2025.
Uy, 2026 sa
Oh yeah, 2026 is first is this, which is the
What is that,
bihon.
Okay.
Then this, the buttered shrimp.
Wow, look at that.
Then this, the belly. The what's that?
The
Lechon belly. Then
Don't tell me.
lumpia. Then we have calamares. Then the last one is I don't know what's this. And then here at the center we have the lucky bowl, and
Yeah.
our desserts are the graham. Ta-na-na-na-na. Then salad, and then our homemade munchkins, which is I made it. Yeah. So our drinks, by the way, is this one. It's Red Horse. And then the second one is Coke, and the last one is May, my favorite. It's wine, and we have also a cake, which is a chiffon. It's a plain cake. Yeah. And we have here the tarpaulin, the our fruits. We have pineapple.
Mine is
it's
okay,
money.
okay.
Mine is 1 dirham. We have pineapple, apples, oranges, red apple, green apple, pears. This is, I don't know, strawberry apple. This is grapes, banana. This is tomato. We have papaya and oh my
Oh
god,
my
lanzones.
It's a sign, you know.
Na matagak
Oh
imong
my
kwarta.
goodness. Na overchar.
So, yeah, that's all our handa for 2026. And it's already It's already
Time check, time check.
Time
Time
check. It's already 11:42,
Wait,
guys.
11.
Oh my god.
Take those.
Yeah.
Hello, back again. Welcome back.
And Lucas
Lucas.
is afraid of fireworks, guys. Yeah, he's afraid of
Wala,
fireworks,
anxiety ko
and
ah.
he wants to wear the anxiety clothes, the anxiety strap.
Go, go, go.
And that's Papa.
Go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna wear this. So first things first is his belly, which is the most important.
No,
but-
it's not. Na. Dili nga naon. I'll tell you how to do it.
Okay, so
Okay,
Ate was gonna do it.
first,
Oh my god, I'm
first-
so sorry.
First thing is that you grab this in the center. Basta, ito yung mo siyang liog. Imong ibuto siyang likod. And then like, yeah.
He looks like, ano,
tie
nasa sa Switzerland,
Yeah.
naka-scarf.
That's how you do it.
So that is the anxiety strap to,
For the dog.
yeah, for the dog to prevent their, ano?
So, how do you feel after wearing this? Huh?
I
No, it's
feel
too
so
light.
very
It's not like-
comfortable because I wear the anxiety strap.
Yeah, that's the tutorial.
Oh my
So,
goodness! I'm
Wala.
not done yet, no.
So, here, this is, I don't know what's that. Nagpa-under na si Father Dear sa kanyang motor. Oh my god, there are 3 motorcycles. That's Father Dear. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ay.
Yeah.
Nasa ang kwan? Nasa ang
It's
kwan?
here.
Wala, tagaw ka.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey,
Ayo,
hey.
just steady.
Hey, hey, hey. Uy, uy! Uy, chucha! Sapa! Sobringer ah! Uy, chulala! Oh, hilingan!
Eh, bilang natin.
Our DJ on the go. On the go, on the mix day. Makita ko! Hey, 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 hey! So, dapat mag-video me for the countdown.
My goodness. I
It's-
see you later.
Yeah.
See you later.
See you later. It's like 11:40 kapin.
Oh
Like,
my goodness.
yeah, ganyan. Like,
Hi guys.
hi guys! Welcome to our bag. Our bag. Our bag.
Oh, ganda na po siya ninyo.
So,
Ay, wait
I'm
lang,
ready.
Ay,
Ang kami.
I'm glowing.
Bye-bye. See you later, guys.
Guys, can you give a quick shout out to your boss? Oh,
Ilan talaga minutes? There's only like focus.
Ah!
Ayun na. Kahit sa 20, oy.
Tara ay. Kiat jud kayo nga karon nga New Year ay. Grabe ka kiat mo to.